Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first we should open the Photos application. And now let's select, for example, these 3 photos to hide them. After that selecting, you should click here on this more icon on the right down corner and you'll see here Hide option. Tap to hide and now confirm your action by hide these 3 photos. After that, you could find your hidden photos here also in Albums tab, but scroll down and find Hidden section. Just tap on it here and you will see here all of your hidden previously photos. To unhide them, you could just select the photos, click here to these 3 dots and click to unhide. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.